Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a gift card in Roblox. Gift cards are a great way to get Robux, memberships, or even send a gift to friends. In order to buy a gift card in Roblox, first of all launch open the Roblox application on your device, and once you're inside the home page after logging into your account, click on More at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, select Gift Cards. You'll then come across the Gift Cards tab, from where you can go ahead and purchase a gift card. Select what kind of gift card would you like, whether it is digital or physical. After you do that, select the amount you want to appear in your gift card, pick the value that fits your budget, and then select if the gift card is for you or your friend. If it is for your friend, you'll need to enter your friend's recipient name, your name, and the gift message. If it's for you, just select For Me and click on Add to Cart. Follow through the on-screen instructions and enter your full name, your country, street address, city, state, and postal code information and click on Shipping. After you enter your address information, on the next page, you'll need to complete the purchase. Go ahead and select your payment method, enter your payment details that can be credit or debit card or even PayPal, and then, after completing through the purchase, you'll be able to buy the gift card. That is how you will be able to buy your gift card on Roblox using the Roblox application on your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.